It's Steve with Craft Racing. And we've got an update. What are we doing? No, we're not working on that Chevy. So, we're doing a damage assessment. And we can see that sheared, trailing arm has sheared. This is what it's supposed to look like. That one's nice and thick. But this one was like a piece of metal. Jacob had fabricated, but as we can see, it's all ripped out of here. That's what the good side looks like. And this is what the other side looks like. This is the passenger side. All ripped out. So we're gonna pound this back together. We got our persuasion tool. Oh, look at that wheel. Oh. That's what that does, is keep that from folding in. And when it snaps, nothing to stop it from folding in. Alright, we're working on the car, and we got the strut out. Yep. She's bent. Alright, so the strut's out. There's our broken part. All this was bent, folded way over. It's been bent back into place. We'll be doing some welding there. Trailing arm's gonna get replaced. Probably replace the upper control arm. Yep. Work is progressing. Alright, so there you have it. We've got some parts on order. We're going to fabricate some parts. And not sure if everything's going to be done by Friday. There's a good chance that the parts are not going to be here by Friday, in which case we will not be racing Friday at Kankakee or anywhere else. We'll just go to Woodhaven Friday night instead of going to Kankakee and going to Woodhaven Saturday. So that looks like that's starting to become the plan. All right, so still got the trailing arm or the lower control arm to remove from the car, and parts got to come in. Strut's got to come in. Still waiting to see if that's under warranty or not from O'Reilly's. They were supposed to call me back and they haven't. So whatever, no matter what, whether it's under warranty or not, it is definitely needed. So we'll be getting it whether it's under warranty or not. If it's under warranty, I don't have to pay for it. This is Steve with Craft Racing, and we're out.